So you've just got your first guitar and you want to know, what accessories do I need to get as a beginner to play the guitar? So here is my rundown of the accessories that you need as a beginner. Let's jump into it. So, accessory number one, and I think it's the most important accessory as a beginner guitarist, and that is your guitar tuner. Now, you're going to get 3 different variants. You got your clip-on one. You got your sort of more standard style one that requires you to actually plug the cable in. And then you got your more advanced one, which is the pedal version. Again, requires 1 cable, 2 cables in this one. So my recommendation as a beginner, because most beginners will start on acoustic guitars, and honestly I still use this one pretty much all the time, and I know loads of guitarists do, and that's the clip-on one. It's easy, you just clip it onto your guitar, leave it there, it's good to go, yeah. One hit button, turns it on, gives you a way to work with a bass and other instruments as well. Hold it down, turns off. Simple, easy, job done. So the second accessory I would recommend for a beginner guitarist would be to get yourself some guitar picks. Now, guitar picks can get confusing because you get all different types. Let's see, for example, you can get them in all these different colours. And also different materials. So my recommendation when buying guitar picks for a beginner is to buy a variety pack. Reason being is they come in different styles, as I said, different thicknesses, and the idea being if you buy a variety pack it gives you a chance to experiment and see which one you feel most comfortable with. Now, the reason guitarists use guitar picks is to get different tones and such, but also as a beginner and you're using your fingers and thumb, you're going to start getting calluses and it's going to start hurting, which is really going to put you off. So get yourself a guitar pick and it's less likely to put you off learning to play guitar. So next accessory I'm going to recommend isn't actually needed for all beginner guitarists, especially if you're learning on an acoustic guitar, because you're not going to be plugging it in, it's acoustic. So this is really for those learning on electric guitar, and that is guitar lead. Now, most of the time, especially if you bought a kit which comes with an amp, odds are you're going to be getting a guitar lead with it, so you may not have to buy one of these, but I recommend really investing in a good guitar lead to begin with, and you can pick up some really good ones for under £20. So yeah, I mean, really, especially with electric guitars, if you don't have one of these with you, you really can't play. So get yourself another one if you haven't already, because a couple is better than just one. So the next accessory I'm going to recommend isn't for everyone, as it's not always suitable for the guitar you have. But you can't always play the guitar sitting down. If you want to stand up, you need to be able to just, hold a guitar. So easy. It's a guitar strap. I mean, this is pretty much a basic one. And again, with some kits, you'll get these with them. So yeah. So the next guitar accessory, I don't think it's always needed, but I would recommend that you buy one because some songs do require you have one, and that is a guitar capo. Now they all come in like different styles and such, but this is pretty much what they're going to look like. This one I've had for ages and I think it was a really, really cheap one, and I've just never replaced it, and it just works fine. Literally it's worth having, but you're not always going to need it. What I'm going to recommend is you buy yourself some spare strings. Reason being, you're going to break strings, and going away trying to find new strings, such as going to shops, it's going to be slightly off-putting sometimes, because you're going to be going into a shop and you're just a beginner. So I recommend that you buy new strings at the start to help build up your confidence. So even just ordering them off Amazon, I say for electric guitars get what we call 9 gauge, and for acoustic guitars get 12 gauge. They're like pretty standard style and size, and should be pretty alright on your fingers. So you've got all your accessories now, and there's one accessory that you haven't got that will allow you to store your guitar when you're not using it, take it places, and also carry those accessories, and that is the guitar bag. Now, I don't recommend this one for beginner because this one will be pretty much the same price as your guitar, or more though. So what I recommend is one of the rock bag ones. I actually have had quite a lot of them in the past, and sometimes when you're buying a more expensive guitar, such as I think whether I bought this one, he actually gave me one of the rock bags for free because it's not massively expensive, and I think they're about £20 UK, so maybe about $30 US. And that will allow you to keep all your accessories in it in one place, and the guitar when you're not using it, and also allows you to take them all away with you, and it's basically a bag for your guitar and its stuff. Simple. My final recommendation for guitar accessories, whether you're a beginner or not, or even a professional, is a songbook. The brilliant thing about these songbooks is they're a book for one, so they're going to last a long time, and I would say 99% of songbooks will teach you chords. So if you guys can, there we go, focusing. So most of them at the start of each song will have the chords. Yeah, it's just ability to learn new chords as well as new songs. That is why I'm recommending a songbook be a good accessory for a beginner. And in fact, also, you're going to come across this, you're going to get stuck for ideas of what song you want to learn. And this one I've had for ages, and I can't tell you how many songs are actually in it, but I mean, that's how many songs are in this. So it's just loads of songs, and I haven't even learnt all these yet. So it's still working for me, this book, and also it's good reference material if you ever want to go back. And if you're working with other musicians, want to get a band together, it gives you guys songs to cover. There you are. There's my recommendations for guitar accessories for beginners. Hope you liked it. See you next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Catch you next time. Bye.